Hello, myself Mohammad Ois Khan of CSE ANML is here to give a presentation, and my topic is classification of materials on the basis of energy band materials. Let us see the classification. On the basis of energy band, materials are classified as insulators, conductors, and semiconductors. What are insulators? Insulators are the substances like wood, grass, which do not allow the passage of current through them are known as insulators. The valence band of this substance is full, whereas the conduction band is completely empty. Therefore, the forbidden energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band is very large, that is up to 8 electron volts. Therefore, a large amount of energy, that is a very high electric field, is required to push the valence electron to the conduction band. This is the reason why such material under the ordinary conductions do not conduct at all and are designated as insulators. What are conductors? Substances like copper, aluminum, silver, which allow the passage of current through them, are known as conductors. The valence band of these substances overlap the conduction band as shown in the figure. Due to this overlapping, a large number of free electrons are available for conduction. This is the reason why a slight potential difference applied across them causes a heavy flow of current through them. What are semiconductors? Substances like carbon, silicon, germanium, whose electrical conductivity lies between the conductors and the insulators, are known as semiconductors. The valence band of these substances is almost filled, but the conduction band is almost empty. Therefore, the forbidden energy gap between the valence band and conduction band is very small, that is up to 1 electron volt, as shown in the figure. Therefore, comparatively a less electric field is required to push the valence electron to the conduction band. This is the reason why such material under the ordinary conduction do not conduct current and behave as an insulator. Even at the room temperature, when some heat is imparted to the valence electron, a few of them crosses over the conduction band, imparting minor conductivity to the semiconductor. As the temperature is increased, more valence electron cross over the conduction band and the conductivity of the material increases. Thus, these materials have negative temperature coefficient resistance. These are the energy band diagram of insulators, conductors, and semiconductors. Classification of energy bands. The energy band can be classified into two types, valence band and the conduction band. What is valence band? The electron in the outermost shell are known as the valence electron. These valence electrons contain a series of energy level and form an energy band known as the valence band. The valence band has a highest occupied energy. What is conduction band? The valence electrons are not tightly held to the nucleus, due to which a few of these valence electrons leave the outermost orbit even at the room temperature and become a free electrons. The electrons conduct current in the conductors and are therefore known as the conduction electrons. The conduction band is one that contains the conduction electrons and has the lowest occupied energy levels. What is forbidden energy gap? The gap between the valence band and the conduction band is referred as forbidden gap. As the name suggests, the forbidden gap does not have any energy and no electrons stay in this band. If a forbidden energy gap is greater, then the valence band electrons are tightly bounded or firmly attached to the nucleus. We require some amount of external energy that is equal to the forbidden energy gap. Thank you.